Good morning, everyone. We're going to Home Depot. It's bright and early, just dropped Lindsay off at work, and I gotta return a prop that I bought for one of my guitar videos. She used it one time, but yeah, now we're going to return that, and then I'm gonna go home and I'm gonna make the rest of this video for you guys, and I'm also gonna make a video for my guitar channel. We have arrived at Home Depot. I love this area, it's so cool. Maybe we'll pick out a plant. Surprise Lindsay when she gets home. I love having plants in my room. I don't know why. Let's try and find one. Whoa, I like these guys. They're huge though. Oh my god. How much are those? 25 bucks? That's not bad. What do you guys think? It's like a mini tree in the room. How big is it by itself though? I think that's pretty cool. I like that a lot. What is the sun requirements though? That's a good question. Houseplant, bright light. Okay. Maybe this is a little impulsive. I don't think I'm gonna do this. Seems like a lot of responsibility. Alright, well let's get the return out of the way at least, then we can move on. Alright, we're just sticking to the plan. I'm gonna go home and make some videos. I don't need to buy any plants. Alright, let's go. Alright guys, it has been a super long day. Just got out of work, gonna make dinner and go to bed. Sorry I didn't talk too much today, but I'm so close. I'm just grinding out at work. I'm like this close to having enough money to start my online business, so hold on tight.